How to add body effect on CapCut. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can add body effect on CapCut very easily. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. For adding body effect on the CapCut, so firstly open the CapCut, and after this you can see here new project, or you can see here different your previous project. You can select from your previous project, or you can select new project by click on it, and here you can select any new project. So now I want to add new project from the previous project. So after selecting, so here you can see the effect options at the bottom side. So click on it, then click on body effect. So here you can see there are different options like trending, pro, clone, glowing effect, stroke. So you can select anyone. So when I will show, you can see when I will click on it, so you can see it show like this. So guys, in this way you can add any effect in the CapCut. So guys, in this way you can easily add body effect on the CapCut. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.